Assalamualaikum and good day all. We try to continue what we postponed on topic magnetic force and field. So we continue on one topic, the interesting uh, about force and torque. So every force we will create the torque in the rotation condition, right? So, as we know, unbalanced force on our body will always cause an acceleration on our body. This one is already learned and already understand previously in the topic of vector and acceleration, velocity, and so on. So, in the translation motion, And then, however, if the object is anchored, so it cannot move, then the force could cause a rotation, correct? The turning effect of force is called is torque. Okay, just try to remember how the torque work in the rotation motion. So the torque of moment of force is calculated using, if we call the more to tau equal to FD. So tau is torque in this condition. So the torque is based on the force and displacement. So D is the perpendicular to distance between the line of force and the pivot. So actually, force should be perpendicular to the distance. So in the angle 90 degrees, so be considered as torque. And then the unit still same, like Newton meter. Okay, how about have the angle within the distance? So should be multiply by the angle differentiate. Then we try to calculate the force. Okay, reflect to the electric field condition and the magnetic field condition. We consider in this condition is in the motor, electric motor. As we know, the electric motor is created by the north and south of magnetic field. So between this area, we'll develop one magnetic field. So within south and north. So what they do, they try to develop by coil inside within the magnetic south and the north. So we will create the force inside there. So that's why the motor try to give the motion in the rotation. So this motion is created by electric field. Electric field is giving by electric flow in the direction is what we call series in the within the north and south. So series condition we call the in the perpendicular to the it's not perpendicular. Sorry, the force we will perpendicular. Sometimes we'll series or the same direction, but actually maybe the force maybe the flow will create in the series inside the space. So this one we call if we flow the current inside here, so we should be put the central of the area as a motion, as a pivot, a pivot. So this one considered as zero distance. So because this one is a radius, so it will be rotate, and then this one is center of radius. Okay, and then force will work perpendicular into the area of coil. So this, if we consider the coil is in the rectangle shape, so the force will work perpendicular the area. So that's why the torque will work equal to force times to d. D is distance, distance from the side of the coil, and then time to cos theta, if cos theta giving 0, if cos theta give 0, this mean 1, this one is considered cos theta is between two electric field. Cos theta is reflect to magnetic field, magnetic field. Is cos theta 0, which means cos theta 1, cos 0 is 1. So time to the d over 2, because d divided by radius. Okay, so now the torque is equal to F times to d. But actually the coil will rotate by the certain angle, Okay, by angle. So the F will change by the angle. So how to calculate F? We will learn. Okay, now if the sine gamma, we call what is this one, the maybe notation in the sine gamma, sine gamma. So in the in the magnetic field, force is equal to B, magnetic field, times to current, times to length of the wire. So by sinus of gamma. If this gamma consider 0, this one condition when the gamma is 0. So gamma is angle within the magnetic field. So magnetic field, we refer to left hand of law. Remember of left hand law. So the thumb is considered to force, and then direction finger is considered to current, and then other finger considered to the magnetic field. So magnetic field. So the angle sines gamma is angle within the magnetic field that created by south and the north. So if we can see in this condition through this figure, so should be angle in 90 degree, because the magnetic field from the north to the south, here in the, we can see horizontal, and then the force is vertical, exactly 90 degree from this field. So consider the sine is 90. So sine of gamma, in this gamma is angle of within the magnetic field to the force, correct? Okay, so because of 90 degree is considered 1, so we can rewrite by tau equal to BILD. So LD is area. Area in this condition is area of rectangle, D times to L. Okay. Okay. Now we consider of the product LD is equal to area of the coil A, cos theta. Now we consider the cos theta. So cos theta, this one is different angle, different meaning. Theta, the compared to the gamma. So theta itself is angle rotation of the coil. So if the coil already move and then make a certain angle from from the electric field, so the green arrow will move in certain angle also, and then electric field is considered constant in the horizontal. So magnetic field is horizontal, and then the angle of arrow force in the green color will moving, and then will change. And then what happened? So the angle, this angle theta, coil moving. So it's not considered the green. So how much the green compared to the electric field, that one is different. So we have two condition here. So I will describe here using the here. Okay, this one is the electric field. Sorry, magnetic field in the horizontal, and then in the green one is force. Yes, force. Okay, so what we see here, coil in the black color. Okay, coil. Now coil change. Then also the angle of the force also change. So this one is north. Sorry, the red one, north, and then the blue one here, south. Okay. So the angle here, yeah, we call as theta. And then the angle within the, sorry, this one is not theta. Sorry. Theta is another one. Okay, this one is angle rotation. Rotation, yes, correct. Oh, correct. This one is theta. And then, correct. This one is gamma. Yeah, so different, eh? So different. This one is gamma also. Gamma, the first gamma before the moving or initial. Okay, now we have two angle. Okay, I hope you understand. So the formula of torque is B magnetic field, I current, and A area, time to cos theta. So the torque already changed. So if we refer to theta, cos theta, using this one as cos. Yeah. If we use the gamma, so B change to sine gamma. So different, yeah. We can use both, but please refer to proper angle. Okay. So I hope you will here understand. Okay, now the coil already changed the angle into the theta is 90 degree. So we can calculate by formula the torque, how much number of coil. If the refer to 20, if refer to 50, put here. And B is the magnetic field. So if you have a higher magnetic field, and then the I is current, and the A area of coil, time to theta. Okay. Now, how to understand within the theta and the gamma? So in this case, already changed. So it's okay, but you should be understand what angle to reflect. Just now, if we consider the electric field here in the vertical, it should be here north, from this side, the lower one is south is the upper one condition, but the coil is series into the magnetic field. So this one we consider theta is 0. Then if we change into the 90 degree, change into the theta is already 0. It's okay. This one is how to describe the condition. Similar like I mentioned before. Now we go to example to understanding the condition of coil inside in the magnetic field. If the 50 turns rectangular coil with size, this one is size of coil, 10 centimeter times to 20 centimeter, and then with the V magnetic field 2.5 Tesla, and then current is 7.3 ampere, and then determine the torque acting the coil plane by perpendicular to the field, parallel to the field, and how about the 70 levels. So just describe, illustrate, just illustrate, no need to calculate. So if theta 90 is, this one is in the similar into the similar field, but this one is 0. And then if this one is perpendicular into the electric field, just now, this one is considered 90 degree for the gamma. This one is considered gamma just now. Gamma. Then change into, so gamma, obat, gamma. So gamma will change in the 15 degree, and when the theta 75 degree. Okay. So the last one, this one, the last one of the example. Find the maximum torque on 100 turn square loop of wire So this one wire loop, 100, and the wire with the area 20 centimeter on side, and the current is 15, and then the V in 2 Tesla. So calculate the torque. So just simple, just put inside the formula and 100 here, and then the I current is 15 ampere, and then the area times 10 times 10. So in the centimeter, if we convert into the meter, it should be like this. And then Tesla, one need to convert in it. So the torque is 30 Newton meter. Okay, I think that's all for the force and the torque. I hope you understand. If you have uh, still confused, you can discuss with me anytime. Okay, that's all. Assalamualaikum and good day all.